back to my channel. I'm actually joined today with my co-host, little Miss Zizi, who's decided to sit on my lap for this recording because I'm sat on the floor in my living room. But I just wanted to come on here and record something new and exciting for you guys. Some of you guys might have seen this already online, but Dyson has actually released a brand new air wrap. Yep, this is the new Airwrap Long Complete, and it is brand new and it's just launched, and I thought I'd come on here and unbox it for you guys and share my first impressions with you. For those of you guys that don't know who I am, hello, hi, how's it going? My name is Anika and I'm an American living in London, and I'd love to share my experiences with you guys and obviously unbox different items and just kind of showcase and share what I get up to in life. So if you guys want to see more content like that, please make sure to subscribe. But today I want to talk all about the Dyson Airwrap Complete, and the long version at that. So for those of you guys that have been subscribed to my channel for a while now, you guys would have seen my previous video where I actually unboxed the Dyson Copper Edition Airwrap, and I did that about a year and a half ago. I love my Dyson. I recorded a ton of videos about it. I did an unboxing, a first impressions, how I style my hair with the Dyson Airwrap Complete. If you guys want to check out any of those videos, I will of course link it down in the description of this video, and I will link it up in the cards for you right now to check out. But today I want to talk about the all new Dyson. Now some of you guys might be asking, why buy a new Dyson when I already actually have a Dyson Airwrap? Well, a funny story is that I love my Dyson Airwrap. I use it all the time, and my mom wanted to try it out, and she wanted to try out how a Dyson would work. So she kind of commandeered it. She wanted to borrow it, and then she just ended up keeping it, and that was fine. I said, go on, if you love it, you can keep it, and I'll buy a new one. Unfortunately, when I did give her my Dyson, at the same time, Dyson was experiencing like a shortage of production, or with the pandemic and everything, they were just really having a hard time restocking their product. So as much as I tried to buy a replacement, an exact replacement of my old Dyson, there was just nothing out there. Honestly, it was sold out on their website, on all other websites, and I couldn't get my hands on a Dyson if my life depended on it. And throughout this worldwide shortage, Dyson did something surprising overnight. They just launched a brand new product. They decided to revamp their Dyson Airwrap and redo it and launch it. And to be honest, they didn't do a lot of advertising or marketing around it, or at least I didn't see it. And then suddenly overnight there was this new Dyson Airwrap, and I knew I had to get my hands on it. Now when I am recording this video in March in the UK, the Dyson Airwrap Complete, the new one, the new air styler, is only available in the UK and I think Australia and a few other select countries as well. It is not available worldwide yet. I know that that's coming in June. So I actually got lucky and got my hands on it right away, which I was just super lucky about. If you guys do want to buy the Dyson Airwrap in the UK, I will link it down below in the description of this video. So why buy a Dyson Airwrap instead of using a regular blow dryer? Well, like I already said, I absolutely loved my original Dyson. It was a little bit tricky to learn and understand how to use it and how to work with my hair, but eventually I got the handle on it and it was amazing. It just made my life so much easier, and I absolutely love the Dyson. The three main reasons I love using my Dyson Airwrap instead of a hairdryer is it's way easier to use. To be honest, it kind of takes all the work out of using like a round brush and a blow dryer at the same time. I love that it styles and dries my hair. So usually with a hairdryer, I have to first dry my hair and then I style it, but I love that you get both in one with this. And what I really appreciate is that most of Dyson's hair tools don't use extreme heat. The Dyson Airwrap is especially renowned for that. It does not use extreme heat, so it means that it is better for your hair in the long run. And I remember when I went to my hairdresser, she mentioned that my hair looked so much healthier than the last time I cut it and just had less split ends. And I have to say, I think that has to do with the fact that I use less heat on my hair. Now, the one thing I did regret when I did purchase my original Dyson Airwrap in the Copper Edition was that I got just the standard Airwrap, which is designed for hair up to your shoulders. It's not really designed for longer hair. And as you guys can see, I have hair that goes down past my shoulders, halfway down my back and is longer. And there is the Dyson Airwrap Long, and you can buy the attachments in the long version so that it's easier for your hair. But when I did purchase the original Dyson, I really regretted not buying the longer barrels. So this time around, I got my hands on the Dyson Airwrap Complete, but the long version, which means the attachments are designed for longer hair. So I am so excited to give it a try out and really see if it makes a difference to my styling and how easy it is with the longer barrels. Now I've chatted on long enough, let's actually get to unboxing this brand new product. So here it is. It comes in a box like this. I actually ordered this directly from Dyson. So I bought it from the Dyson website. I think you can also buy it John Lewis, Selfridges, Boots. There are a number of other places that you can order your Dyson Airwrap, but as you guys can see, I got the Dyson Airwrap Complete Long, which is the long barrel. So here is the box in all its glory. I do have some fingerprints on it, but I got it in the blue color, which is beautiful. And what's really exciting is the box lid actually just pops completely off. And inside, you will see that there's some Dyson material that tells you how to actually set up and start using your Dyson, and then some padding, and then inside is the beautiful Airwrap and all the attachments. So let's dive on in and check out each part of this Airwrap. So the first thing that I see in the box is the actual Airwrap wand, and from what I've seen online, this wand hasn't changed at all from the original wand. So it is actually the same exact design, same layout, everything is the same. You can actually use the same attachments from your old Airwrap to the new one. So this is my new Airwrap in that beautiful blue and copper finish. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this color. So the actual wand of the Airwrap, the actual design hasn't changed. There's still the on-off button, the 3 different heat settings, and then also the 3 different air settings as well. It still has the clip on the back where you just go ahead and clip on all the attachments. So overall, this looks exactly the same. And then there's the power plug as well. So it's exactly the same. It has a 3-prong UK plug in it, so nothing different. It looks exactly the same as my old Dyson Airwrap. Again, the only difference on this one is the color. The next thing in the box is all of my manuals and all of the guarantees. When you buy from Dyson.com or Dyson.co.uk direct, you do get a 2-year guarantee with the product, so I think that's really great. Again, all this stuff is online, but they send it to you in the box as well. And then the next thing that I see in here is a little box, and I think I know what this is already, and this is the filter cleaner. Yes, this is one of the attachments that you do get with the Airwrap, and what you actually do with this, which is really important, a lot of Airwrap users don't know, is you actually end up cleaning the Dyson Airwrap filter at the very bottom here. And it's so important to clean this bottom bit because hair gets stuck, product gets built up, and it is just so important to keep cleaning this regularly. Otherwise, your Dyson Airwrap will stop working. The next thing in the box are the attachments, and these are new. This is something that I don't have in my old Dyson Airwrap because this is the new technology that Dyson has come out with. So these are the long barrels you'll see right here. They are significantly longer than the original Dyson Airwrap, and the main reason is if you have longer hair, the hair has the ability to go fully around this. In my other barrels, they were a little bit shorter in length, and because of that, a lot of my hair was left out of the actual cone, and when you were air wrapping or curling your hair, the ends didn't end up curling as nicely because it just didn't wrap in because they were shorter barrels. But I did get the longer barrels, as I mentioned before. So these are the longer barrels, and it comes in 2 different sizes. So the smaller one, which is designed for tighter curls, and the larger one, which is designed for more of that bouncy blowout. But what is new and exciting about this, and what is different from the old Dyson Airwrap, is that you only have one of each of these attachments, which means that you actually only turn the top of this. So as you can see here, when you turn it actually changes the airflow direction. So what's so great about this is when you do attach it onto your air wrap like so, you can curl your whole head with just this one attachment. All you have to do is turn the barrel in the direction of which way you want the airflow to go. And then when you turn it, you're able to curl one side of your hair. And then when you turn it back, you're able to curl the other side. So I absolutely love that Dyson has done this to the air wrap because it just takes so much time out of having to constantly change out attachments. So the next attachment that I see in the box is also super exciting because it is another new attachment for the new Dyson Airwrap. And what this is like the Flyaway tamer or frizz tamer. I'm actually not sure what the exact terminology is, but what's great about this product is this is now your new hair dryer as well as frizz tamer. So Dyson came out with this attachment in the previous model of their blow dryer, and what it is when you are blow drying, what's so great about this is it'll blow dry the air down your hair shaft so it creates less frizz. What Dyson has done with the new Airwrap is they have created one attachment that both semi-dries your hair as well as does the defrizz and flyaway tamer. And what's great about this is that it's again one attachment. So when you attach this onto your Airwrap and you start to use it, what's great is when you turn it like this, you'll see here that there is a air shaft. Now this is if you want to just start to pre-dry your hair. So whenever you use a Dyson Airwrap, it's important that you semi-dry your hair or about 80% until you start using the attachments. So you can use this attachment as like this, where basically you use it to blow dry your hair. But if you want to also tame your hair and tame all those frizzy flyaways, which to be honest, the Dyson Airwrap does create because it is just the way the product works, what you can do is you can decide to switch this back into a defrizzer, and when you switch it, what's great is the airflow now will only come out of this shaft. And what you do if you want to blow dry this way, you blow dry this way, and then it will defrizz your hair. And what's so great about this is it's just one attachment. That means that you can blow dry your hair and defrizz it this direction. And if you want to switch to the other side, you don't have to actually use a different attachment. You just pop it in the different direction and then blow dry the other way. The next two attachments are exactly the same as my other Dyson, which are the paddle brush dryers. Now these are great if you're just trying to dry your hair straight, and there's two different versions as Dyson has made it. One is made for thicker, more coarse hair, and one is made for finer, thinner hair. I personally like to use this one more because it looks like a paddle brush that I have, so it's a little bit nicer on my scalp, to be honest, but both work really great if you're just trying to blow dry your hair straight. And finally, the last attachment that comes with the new Dyson Airwrap Complete is the round brush. This is the typical round brush. It is the same as the last version of the Dyson Airwrap. It is meant to basically give you that bouncy blowout look, and it imitates a round brush, but instead there's air coming through it, which is great. I like using this attachment for my bangs or kind of smoothing out and straightening my roots. I think it's a great attachment, super easy to use. When you attach it on to the base of the Dyson, what's really great is you have a round brush and a blow dryer all in one. So another really great attachment if you just want to quickly blow dry your hair. I think this is a great styler. I absolutely love it. I love the color. I love the finish of it. I just think it's beautiful, and it's absolutely the perfect attachment to finish off your blow dry. Overall, the new Dyson Airwrap Complete has 6 different attachments, and of course the air filter cleaner as well. So 7 attachments, as they will say. I think it's amazing because they have really innovated even further. They've really updated the Airwrap even more, and I think it's super exciting that they have a new product to offer everyone if you want to get your hands on it. But overall, what's really great is that the barrel of this, or the base of the Dyson Airwrap, hasn't changed. So you can actually buy the new attachments and continue to use your old Airwrap and just add new attachments on top. Right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing and first look at the Dyson Airwrap Complete. I really am super excited to try it out. If you guys do want to see me try out the new Dyson Airwrap on my hair, please make sure to hit that big red subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you know exactly when that video goes live. And also, if you guys want to see a comparison between my old Dyson Airwrap and the new one, I will likely be recording a video on that as well. So please make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to create content like that for you guys in the future. Or if you guys have any suggestions of any other videos you would like me to record with the Dyson Airwrap, please do make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to try to record that video for you guys. Anyways, I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are in the world. And if you are thinking about buying a Dyson Airwrap, go get one. I'll link it down in the comments below. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.